How to log out of other sessions on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to remotely sign out of devices you're not using anymore, keeping your account secure. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile picture at the bottom right to open your profile. After that, tap the three lines at the top right, which takes you directly to Settings. At this point, tap Accounts Center. Following this, tap Password and Security. From here, tap Where you're logged in, which shows a full list of devices and sessions currently signed into your account. Each entry shows the device type, location, and how recently it was active, so you can spot anything unfamiliar right away. Once you find a session you don't recognize or no longer use, tap on it to open the details. Finally, tap Log Out to end that session remotely and confirm when prompted. Keep in mind, logging out a session doesn't affect the device itself. It just signs Instagram out on that device, so you'd need to log back in manually if you ever want to use that session again. That's how you log out of other sessions on Instagram. If this helped secure your account, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.